Hello everyone, I'm Betty. This is the Ck61140 with 6 meters CNC lathe, which is sent to South Africa. The real reference is 755mm and the mixed processing lathe is 6 meters. It is equipped with manifold gear, a 1 meter for gel chalk, a customized 1 meter steady rest, and an A station turned to a holder with a large processing range. Adopt a 980 TDI English controller system. Our products sell well at home and abroad, and we have a lot of export experience. Welcome customers to contact with us and visit our factory. Thank you for watching.